How to fix Instagram Notes camera option not showing. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the App Store or Play Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Here, if you see the update option available, then go ahead and update the app further, as in order to be able to use all the features that Instagram has to offer, you need to be using the latest version. After updating, reopen Instagram and then go to DMs and look at the notes bar above chats and check for the camera icon. If it is still not available, then go ahead and go back to your home screen and hold on the Instagram option you see there. You will then see the option for remove app. Tap on that and then tap on the delete app option. Once deleted, reinstall the app from the App Store or your Play Store. This will reset the app configuration and downloads missing user interface components. And see if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then check for the region of your account. So you can also try to log in using another account, or simply sometimes older or US based accounts get success first. So if you are using Instagram from region where the notes camera option is not available, then you can simply go ahead and change your region and see if the option is available. If the option is still not available, then tap on your profile icon and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Scroll down and you will see the option for help. Tap on that and then tap on the report a problem option. Further, go ahead and type in your problem. Make sure to be very informative and descriptive while typing in your issue, and you can also attach screenshots for proof. Further, go ahead and tap on the submit option you see there, and Instagram will review your report and help you fix your issue accordingly. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Instagram Notes camera option not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.